How to create multiple scrolling interactions in Wix Studio. In order to create those, what we can do is we can just head over and then choose in here an element where it will actually be assigned. I'll head over and then choose in here this text element. Then after that, just click onto this inspector icon right here. And from in there, click onto this animation and effects option. Under the animations and effects, we have in here the scroll option. Expand it and then click onto this add and then choose in here first the actual animation type for that when you scroll. So for example, you can choose in here parallax. I'll choose parallax. Then choose in here the animation type. It can be in or it can be also be out. Now in here you can also choose in here the animation element. You can choose on canvas or the text itself. Now, once you have set that up, it should be able to be added. Now, in here, just click onto this add again, and then you can add an element or an animation for that. And you can also choose another element that will have the scroll effect for them. So that's how you create multiple scrolling interactions in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.